Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to fix BattleBit Remastered crashing, won't launch, freezing, stuttering, and a black screen issue. So when encountering issues with BattleBit Remastered such as these issues, you can follow these simple steps and troubleshooting step to resolve the issues. So first, check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for BattleBit Remastered. Verify that your operating system, processor, RAM, and graphics card are compatible with the game. If your hardware falls short of the requirements, you may experience performance issues. Update graphics drivers. Outdated or incompatible graphics drivers can cause various problems with games. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer and download the latest drivers for your specific graphics card model. Install the drivers and restart your computer. Verify game files. Sometimes game files can become corrupted or missing, leading to crashes or launch issues. On platforms like Steam, you can use the built-in file verification feature to check the integrity of game files. Go to your game library, right-click on the BattleBit Remastered, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will verify and fix any corrupt or missing files. Disable unnecessary background processes. Close any unnecessary programs or background processes that may be consuming system resources. This can include resource-intensive applications, browser extensions, or other software that might interfere with the game's performance. Run the game as administrator. Right-click on the BattleBit Remastered executable file or its shortcut. Select Run as administrator and see if it resolves the crashing or launch issues. Running the game with administrative privileges can help bypass certain permission-related issues. Disable overlays and game enhancement software. Some overlay or game enhancement software such as Discord overlay, GeForce Experience overlay, or MSI Afterburner may conflict with BattleBit Remastered and cause crashes or other problems. Disable these overlays or software temporarily to see if it resolves the issue. Adjust in-game settings. Lowering certain graphics settings within the game can help improve performance and stability. Reduce settings such as resolution, texture quality, shadows, anti-aliasing, and other graphics options to find a balance between visuals and performance. Update the game. Ensure that the BattleBit Remastered is up to date with their latest patches and updates. Developers often release updates to address known issues and improve game stability. Check for updates through the game launcher or the platform you purchased the game from. Reinstall the game. If none of the previous steps resolve the issue, try uninstalling BattleBit Remastered and then reinstalling it again. This can help ensure that all game files are properly installed and reduce the chance of corrupted files causing problems. The last thing that you can do is to contact support. If you have tried all the previous steps and the issues persist, it may be helpful to contact the game support team or visit their official forums. They may have specific troubleshooting steps or be aware of any known issues and provide further assistance. Remember that specific solutions may vary depending on your system configuration and the nature of the issues you are experiencing. And that's it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.